people how to draw a cute old school heart design. Now this one's going to be fairly simple but effective. And that's this can be done on Procreate. You can do it on paper though, with markers, pens, paints, whatever you want to. Like usual, 4 layers. So we've got sketching, line work, shading, colour. Now I'm going to have all these set to assist, so just click on them and click on draw and assist. Top left hand corner, canvas, edit drawing guide, symmetry down the bottom, make sure that's highlighted, click done. It's just going to make you draw on both sides at the same time because you want this to be symmetric. So go to your sketching tool, sketching pencil, technical pencil, dark red, and here we go. So I'm going to sketch 2 circles just here, slightly overlapping. I'm going to curve around that edge, coming down, and that will give me a perfect heart shape. Real simple. And from the bottom here, I'm going to make this curve around the bottom bit, and I'm just going to keep dipping and bending upwards, keeping this fairly even. You know, don't worry if it's not 100% perfectly even. Mine's not going to be. It's going to be close but not perfect. Just keep coming all the way around, and when you get to that middle bit there, just dip down into that gap, like so. Each little dip you do, just put a little dot inside each one of these. Real simple, like so. Then down here, we're going to do a little circle, and the little circle is just going to be like overlapping that a little bit, so it's just sitting behind there. Another circle going around that, about the same distance each kind of part away. And that's going to bring a line through there. And I'm going to bring a couple of lines and keeping these roughly about even, so I'm going to have one there, and the other one will kind of go that way, and that one will go that way. So about even kind of space between each one of these. You can do as many or as little as you want. You know, it doesn't particularly matter how many sections there are. We're going to curve outwards. In the middle, we're going to curve up, come back down, like so. And curve down that line. Curve out, curve up, curve down, come down, curve up, go up, and do it as if you was going to carry on going through it, you know, so roughly around there. A little line just through each one, like so. And then we're going to do some little leaf bits, so we're going to bring the curved line outwards and then slightly curve the other way towards the end. Like so, we're going to do 1, 2 there, 1, 2 there. So that's the basic structure for it. So now we're just going to go into our line work. I'm going to select inking, studio pen, I'm going to select this to black. Make sure it's a fair thickness, I want it to be fairly thick. There we go. So now I'm literally just going to go over everything we've just done on the line work layer in pen. So I'm going to start with here, just going to bring this curve around, like so. Don't worry about going as fast as I am, you know, go at your own pace. If you want to slow me down, pause me, rewind me, just do whatever you need to. And this is not a race. So you can see I'm just going over all my line work. You know, any bits that I feel are not quite in the right place, I just, now's the time to correct. Yeah, that's a good thing with the sketching. The sketching is a sketch, it's not the final product. The sketching helps us to get everything where we want it to be. Now where we've got this circle on the inside bit here, I'm going to do this circle, but I'm going to do this in dots. I like doing this with these flowers. Bring those little lines. these little lines coming out here, like so. And that's your sketching layer done. That's the line work done now. So turn off the sketching tool. Click on your line work. Make sure it's got drawing assist. And now pretty much all of this is really going to be done in colour. So I'm just going to go onto the colour layer. I'm going to start off with my red. I'm going to select the main part of the heart first. And I'm going to use the one I normally use, my spray paint tool. But you can use whatever shading you prefer. Just colour in that middle bit. Bold. We're going to put some highlights in there as well. The flowers on the corner, we want red but fading out, so not going all the way to the edge. And then we want yellow in that middle section, like so. These outside bits, I'm going to have a dark green. And I might come back and just put a little bit of like a brown tone just on the edge of them. Just on the very edge, like so. I've done a bit here. I'm going to select a grey tone now. And I'm going to bring this around here, just fading out. And around here, fading out. Really simple. Then I'm going to go to the inside. I'm going to turn Draw and Assist off now. Going to do some little white highlights. Nothing too crazy. So I'm going to start off with just a little circle just there. And then just underneath that, just having a little line flicking down. And again, just up here, just curved on that corner. And there you have it. You can put a name inside that. You can have the word love, whatever you want in there. Put a little banner. But it's a great basis for doing a really nice, cute heart design. And I hope you like it. Comment, like, subscribe. Check out my videos. I am The Broken Puppet, and I will see you next time. Peace.